Natural gas price trading at a level of $4.8. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear upside. As I've already mentioned you, what you have to understand here is that 3.66 is a level. That is the first thing that you have to understand. Second is that 4.2, these two levels you have to keep it in mind. First thing, if the price keep moving over 4.2, we can see a further upside, and if the price started falling below this level, the next strong support coming at 3.6. From these two levels we can see a bounce back, so keep this in mind for the future also. But if you go on this particular trend, a smaller pattern, I've clearly mentioned you that because the previous candle was on the device candle was a red candle, and chances was very high it can go further upside. See, now looking at a big pattern, we can see that if the price sustain above this level, a probability of going towards 4.9 can be seen, because if the price sustain above $4.8, we can see it can touch a level of 4.9, and if the price moving over this level, probability of touching $5 can be seen. And once the price sustain above $5, probability of going towards a level of 5.19 will be there, and if the price moving over that particular level, chance of touching 5.35 will be there. Okay, this 5.35 we can see a bounce back can come, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see there will be a further rise. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, there is a higher chances that the price will sustain above 4.9. so if it sustain above 4.9, a further high, but if it started coming down, we can see it can touch a level of $4.54, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 4.37 can be there, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 4.29, and from there a level of 4.25, then to a level of 4.2. This 4.2 we can see a bounce back can come, but if the price started falling below $4.2, we can see it can touch a level of 4.08. Okay, so remember that if it started going below this level, chance of touching 4.56 will be there, and if the price fall below this level, chance of going further down can be seen towards 4.38, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 4.2 to a level of 4.8, and then it can move towards towards a level of $4, and then a further fall can be seen.